Kaizer Chiefs defender Dylan Solomons says he's finally reaping the rewards of months of hard work following two standout performances in the CAF Confederation Cup. The 29-year-old fullback has been one of Amakosi's brightest sparks in their opening group stage fixtures. Solomon marked his return to continental action with a goal in Chiefs' 2-1 defeat to Al Masry before delivering the dangerous cross that resulted in a Zamalek own goal during last week's 1-1 draw. Reflecting on his resurgence, Solomons credited his recent form to the relentless work he put in while recovering from injury, a period he admits challenged him mentally and physically. He said, "Personally, it has been a good few months for me. The hard work I did when I was injured is paying off now. Being out injured was not a good time for me, but I'm so happy to be involved now and to help contribute to the team. Scoring a goal was wonderful, but I like getting assists, which I take pride in more. I really want to contribute even more, hopefully in the next two games before the break for the AFCON tournament." Solomons also believes Chiefs' early CAF encounters have served as an important learning curve for a largely inexperienced squad navigating continental football for the first time. And said the CAF games have been a learning experience as we have a number of players getting their first taste of continental football. It has been tough, but we'll take the results and move on with the determination to improve when the competition resumes next year. With momentum building and confidence restored, Solomons will be hoping his form continues to drive Chiefs forward as they push for a stronger showing in their remaining group matches. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.